Every corner of our planet hides incredible creatures. Some seem familiar, others so strange they defy all logic. They live far from human eyes, adapted to extreme worlds, to impossible climates. And yet, they share the same Earth with us. Today, we'll explore 20 extraordinary animals. Rare, bizarre, often forgotten. But each of them shows us just how surprising life can be. 1. The pink fairy armadillo. Tiny, pink, and seemingly fragile, this armadillo lives underground in Argentina. Locals call it the fairy armadillo. It has a segmented shell, but a soft white furry belly. Shy, nocturnal, and almost impossible to spot in the wild. 2. The eye. Yes, it's a primate, but it looks unsettling. Huge eyes, elongated fingers, oversized ears. Found only in Madagascar, where many locals see it as a bad omen. In truth, it's a genius insect hunter. 3. The maned wolf. It looks like a creature from myth. The body of a wolf, but the long legs of a gazelle. Despite the name, it isn't closely related to wolves. It roams South America, a living relic of an ancient era. 4. The tufted deer. Imagine a deer with vampire-like fangs. It lives high in the mountains of China, Myanmar, and northeastern India. That funny tuft of hair on its forehead doesn't change the fact. It's mysterious, solitary, and elusive. 5. The Dumbo octopus. Yes, those ears look like those of a baby elephant, yet it's an octopus. It lives more than 4 miles below the surface, where no sunlight reaches. So endearing that some scientists once suggested naming it Opisthotuthis adorabilis. 6. The Patagonian mara. It looks like a giant rabbit, but it's a rodent. A relative of guinea pigs, it lives in faithful pairs for life. A discreet, fascinating species of South America. 7. The Irrawaddy dolphin. Yes, a dolphin, but with a round face and gentle, almost human-like eyes. It inhabits rivers of Southeast Asia. Sadly, it is endangered, threatened by pollution and dams. 8. The gerenok, an antelope with the long neck of a giraffe. That's why it's also called the giraffe gazelle. Its way of feeding, balancing on hind legs, is unique among mammals. 9. The babirusa, found only on the Indonesian island of Sulawesi. Its tusks grow straight through the skull. A bizarre evolutionary twist, unsettling and fragile at the same time. 10. The fossa. Not a cat, but a relative of mongooses. It is the top predator of Madagascar. Feared, but also highly endangered. 11. The zebraduiker. A small African antelope, with stripes across its back like a zebra. Timid and shy, it slips silently through rainforest shadows. 12. The superb bird of paradise. Nature loves theater. This bird proves it. Its feathers absorb almost all light, making its iridescent colors shine even brighter. And when it dances, the world seems to stop. 13. Cantor's giant soft-shelled turtle. Massive and silent, with a soft, almost floppy carapace. It lives in the rivers of Southeast Asia, but is disappearing fast. 14. The gobi jerboa. Tiny, yet with kangaroo-like legs. It hops across the deserts of Mongolia, running, leaping, hiding in an instant. 15. The panda ant. Not an ant, not even cute. It's actually a wasp, and its sting can be excruciating, even deadly. Its black and white disguise is part of its defense. 16. The lowland streaked tenrec. A mix between a hedgehog and a porcupine. But it has a unique trick. It rubs its quills together to make sounds. A tiny percussionist of the jungle. 17. The hummingbird hawk moth, often mistaken for a bird, but it's a moth. Silent, light, and tireless, hovering in midair like a hummingbird. 18. The blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, barely 1.2 inches long. It floats thanks to tiny air bubbles. Its shimmering blue and silver body looks like it came out of a video game. 19. The bush viper, small but deadly. Its scales are dazzling, like feathers perfect camouflage for ambush. It hunts at night, high in the African trees. 20. The shoebill stork. It looks like something out of a Japanese folk tale. Standing up to 4 feet 7 inches tall, silent and solemn. Its gaze is piercing, unsettling, yet mesmerizing. Earth is a wild place. It surprises us, confuses us, amazes us. And every species is a story. A different way of being, of surviving, of evolving. And you? Which of these creatures struck you the most? Had you ever heard of them before?